In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create breadcrumb navigation in Notion. Breadcrumb navigation is a simple, built-in way to always know where you are inside nested pages and to jump back to a broader section without hunting through the sidebar. If your workspace has layers of pages, this will help you move around faster and keep everything feeling organized. Start by opening a subpage inside your Notion workspace. A subpage is simply a page that lives inside another page, often used to hold related content under a broader topic. If you're not sure you're on a subpage, check whether the page sits under a larger parent page in your sidebar, then open it from there. Being inside a subpage makes the breadcrumb trail visible and useful. Now, look to the top left area, just above the page title. That's where Notion displays the breadcrumb trail. It's a horizontal path of page names, starting with the highest level parent and moving down to the page you're currently viewing. If you only see a single page name and no path, you're probably at the top level. Open a deeper subpage to reveal the full trail. Once you locate the breadcrumb trail, you can use it to navigate. Click any parent page name in the trail to jump back instantly to that page. This is especially handy when you've drilled 3 or 4 levels deep and want to return to the main section without scrolling through the sidebar or smashing the back button. One click moves you exactly where you need to be. To make breadcrumbs even more powerful, create more subpages to expand your page hierarchy. For example, keep a parent page for a big topic, then add subpages for each category or project inside it. The more thoughtfully you nest related pages, the clearer your breadcrumb trail becomes, and the easier it is to trace your way back through your structure. As you build, keep related content grouped under parent pages for cleaner navigation. Give pages clear, consistent names so the breadcrumb labels make sense at a glance. This small habit reduces clutter, prevents duplicate pages from popping up in different places, and turns your breadcrumb trail into a reliable guide through your workspace. Finally, make a habit of using breadcrumb navigation regularly to move through large workspaces efficiently. Anytime you're deep within a topic and need broader context, glance up to the trail and jump where you need to go. With a solid hierarchy and regular use of breadcrumbs, you'll spend less time searching and more time working.